Terrific trains. Big trains, small trains, old trains, and new. Rattling and whistling, choo, choo, choo. Starting from the station with a whistle and a hiss, steam trains huffing and puffing like this. Diesel trains rushing as they rattle down the line, warning us they're coming with a long, low whine. Metal wheels whirl as they whiz along the track. They shimmer and they swish with a slick click clack. Coaches are coupled in a neat long chain. An engine pulls the coaches and that makes a train. If a train meets a river or a valley or a ridge, the coaches rumble over a big strong bridge. If a train meets a mountain, it doesn't have to stop. It travels through a tunnel and your ears go pop. When too many trains try to share the same track, the signals and the switches have to hold some back. When the rail meets a road, there's a crossing with a gate. The train rushes through while the traffic has to wait. Trains travel anytime, even very late. This train's delivering a big load of freight. This train's for passengers. It's ready at the station. All aboard and wave goodbye. We're going on vacation. The end.